In this video, I'm going to show you how to reuse these Festool vacuum bags. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a set of detailed plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of my workbenches, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below, where you can purchase a set of plans and download them instantaneously 24/7. 365. Festool vacuums are incredible at sucking up every last bit of dust, and they fill these bags up. This bag here, when I opened up the vacuum the other day, it was an absolute block. It was just completely square on all edges. And the only reason I knew to change it was I was in a routing operation, and I noticed that all of a sudden I had a lot of sawdust, and I looked down in the clear connector to the router and saw that it was plugged with sawdust, and I knew, oh, it's full, because it sucks to the very last minute and completely fills these bags. So it was wedged in there, and I pulled it out, and my habit with these has been to cut the bag and dump it into a larger trash can, and then I take that and recycle it or mix it in the soil so that I'm not throwing these bags, in the garbage. And then of course I dispose of the bag. Well, I got to thinking, I have one of their reusable bags, which is awesome, and it's very similar. They're made out of a different material, but they have an opening end where you slide this plastic cylinder off and dump the bag, clean it out, and then slide that back on. So I got to thinking, well, maybe I could make my own, cut the first time after it's full, cut it very carefully, and then maybe make my own little cylinder that I could slide on there. And then I got to thinking, well, what I'm trying to do is empty the bag. And so this bag was, again, completely full to the brim. And I just grabbed my vacuum hose that's connected to my floor shop vac, this one made by Ryobi. It has no bag in it, just has a filter, so it fills up the canister, and then I just dump that canister into the same can that I used to recycle the sawdust. I took this vacuum wand, which would fit in the hole, and I just started vacuuming it out. Now, there was so much sawdust in this that it filled up the Ryobi about halfway through. So then I took the Ryobi, dumped it, and then brought it back and finished it up and dumped it again. So it took a few minutes, but now I have a bag ready to use. This bag isn't full yet, but I'll go ahead and demonstrate the operation for you. I figure I can probably clean these bags out 3 or 4 times. So there you have it. Can really cut your cost on these real high quality bags. If you enjoyed this money saving tip, then be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, it's important to ring that bell so you'll know when I put up a new video. And if you'd like to support the channel, besides purchasing a set of plans from us, you can use one of our affiliate links, where if you purchase a tool or material from them, they'll share a little bit with us and won't charge you any extra. And it really does help make these videos. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.